Guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to make words to appear on the screen, just like the way it is appearing right now. So, as a content creator who creates content on YouTube, TikTok, any social media at all, if you use this method, trust me, you will not only boost engagement, you will not only get subscribers, you will not only increase your watch time, but your audience will get to understand what you're saying. See, most of the times you may say things and maybe your audience did not get it, maybe they did not get the right pronunciation, but looking at it, looking at the words as it displays on the screen, it will give them a better understanding of what you are talking about. You understand? So in this video, you're going to learn all of that. And you know what? The app you'll be using for this training is free, so you don't have to pay, you don't have to do anything. It's just for you to download the app and start using it for free. It is as simple as that. Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across my video for the very first time, thank you. All I want you to do for me at this point is for you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video, kindly share my videos. Guys, share my videos, please. Drop a comment. Do not forget to drop a comment, guys. Of course, if you do, I am going to reply. I don't ignore comments because it boosts engagement. So without wasting much time, let's move over to my screen recorder so that you see me do it. You understand? Guys, in order for us to achieve this, we need CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut, please, you need to get it. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, look for CapCut, download it. Then another thing is this: if you have CapCut already and you have not updated since this year began, please go and update it. Once you update it, it comes with 2025. Look at the new CapCuts here. So go and update your CapCut so that you can get all the features that we want for this purpose. So you kindly click on CapCut. Once you click on CapCut, it will bring you to this interface. You can see new project. So you click on new project. Once you click on new project, it will bring you to your gallery. So it is believed that you have already recorded your video, like you know the video you want to work with. You understand? So at this point, you need to have your video on standby. So let me work with this video. Once you choose a video, the next thing you will do is for you to click on add. You understand? So once you click on add, it will take you to CapCut. This is the CapCut, guys. So the next thing you're going to do is this. Look at this place. Can you see this aspect ratio? I don't know if you can see this aspect ratio. So the first thing you will do is for you to click on it. Once you click on it, you will look for 6 by 9, 16 by 9, sorry. 16 by 9 is for YouTube. So you look for this 16 by 9, you click it. You understand? Now I have clicked it. After clicking on it, you click on the good sign close to it. So this is where everything begins. Like, guys, if you've not updated your CapCut, go and do so. Can you now see? Can you see export here? Sorry about that. Can you see export here? There are so many new features. So if you don't have the updated version, go and get it. It is showing export here. So the next thing you will do here is this: you click on captions. Look at captions there. You check below, you see captions, you click on it. Once you click on captions, you wait for it to load. Then one thing is this: you're gonna check here, you see language. If you want it to be in French, you can choose French. If you want it to be in English, you can choose English. Any language of your choice. You understand? So I am choosing English. So now that I've chosen English, let it be in video. Ensure it is in video. So I'll just click on generate. Do you understand? So guys, one thing I need to tell you about this is this: when you are doing this thing, ensure that your data is on. If your data is not on, it's not going to generate. You understand? So always ensure that your data is on. So let me come again. You go to caption, you select English, you click generate. So this is how it is. Let us play it. Guys, in this video I am going to show you see that, guys? How to make we are not done to appear on the screen. Guys, did you see that? Guys, in so at this point we will click on it so that it can be bold. You understand? Just like we make it to be bold. We have to make it to be bold. Guys, in this, so you just drag it. Now it is bold. If you want it to be in capital letter, fine. You understand? So you just come to style here. If you check below, you see style. Try as much as you can to use the free one. Use the free one. You know, all these ones, some of them they are pro. So you can see, you choose any one of your choice. If this is the one you want, if this is what you want, if this is, guys, which one should I choose? Any one of your choice. You want it to be in white, you want it this way. Okay, let me choose this one because of the color of my clothes. So once you're done choosing like this, you click. Okay, let me check effects. You see effects here, you see animations, like, guys, anything at all that you want. You understand? You can see fonts here. So in case you want to increase the font size, you want to reduce the font size, it is all yours. So the only thing you have to do is for you to scroll and look for the one that is free. If you get this one that has pro on it, this one is actually free, but I don't like it. This energy is free. No, I don't want this, too big. Energy is free. Let me look for another free one. So you look for the free ones. Let me see. This one is also free. Yeah, okay, let me go for this one. So you click on the good sign. So let's play the video, then let's see. Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make words. Did you see that, guys? Just like did you see that? It is appearing right now. Did you see that? As a content creator, so that is just it. At this point, you can play alongside, like this CapCut. This CapCut is actually big enough. You can play with words. You can do it as you like. You understand? You can do anything at all that you like. When I say anything, believe me, anything. So guys, there is something else I love doing. I love increasing my volume. In this video I am going to show you I like increasing my volume. Then another thing I love doing when editing my video is reducing noise. So now that I have updated my CapCut, noise reduction was always free before. Now look at noise reduction is no longer free. That's fine. So let's use filter. Just gonna use filter so that it can be brighter than this. You understand? So I'm gonna use this one. This one is free. Then I'll click on it. So let's see how it is. Guys, in this video I am going to show you. I think it is brighter now. So guys, I believe you've learned one or two things in this video. Okay, there is a place I wanted to cut out. Let me cut it out. Once I cut it out, yes guys, one more thing, I love removing this ending. You just click on it, then you remove it. There is a place I wanted to cut out. Let me play, then cut it out. Too much time. Let's move over to my screen recorder so that you see me do it. You understand? Okay. You understand? Okay, let me cut out this part. You already know how to cut out now, so I'll just click on it. Then that is it. See me do it. You understand? Yeah. So guys, at this point we are gonna click on export. Here is export. Here is export. You click on export. Guys, always ensure that as you're doing these things that your data is on. If you've not gotten the updated version, please go and get it. If you've noticed, you see this one is running so fast. It's running so fast, like it is exporting very, very fast. You understand? When I say very fast, trust me, very, very fast. So guys, at this point, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly like this video, guys. Kindly like my videos now. Support your girl. See, I don't have another community members other than you guys. You understand? So you guys are the ones that are gonna push my videos out there. So if you're not supporting me, who else is gonna support me? Nobody else now. So please kindly subscribe to my channel, kindly share my videos, kindly tell people to come and watch, tell people to watch my videos so that I can gather watch time. Then if you're also a YouTuber, you can let me know. You can let me know. We are one big community here on YouTube. You understand? Before you allow me to say TikTok, we are one big community here, so we can support each other. Now it's 100%. You just click on done. You just click on done, guys. We are done. Thank you so much. Bye for now.